In this video, let us analyze the USDJPY 1 hour time frame chart and see the potentials in the market. Looking at this chart from the early part of November, we saw this currency pair initiating a move within this larger channel. As you can see, the channel resistance here, and here is the channel support. So at the channel resistance, price was held back at this point and also held back at this point. Then for the support, we have price supported here, here, and here. However, few trading sessions back, we saw the break of that channel at this point. Also within that period, we also saw a smaller descending channel being established in this retracement, okay? But something interesting is happening now, which is actually why I am making this video. So let's look at the bigger picture. Let's see what is happening right now. So this is what is actually happening, okay? And this is where I want us to focus. Looking at this very point right now, we saw that this rising channel that was broken, price has reclaimed it, which is a signal for strength, okay? Making this move here a fake out. Not only that price reclaimed this broken rising channel support, it also broke above this falling channel resistance. So this was a confluence of resistance and price was able to pull through and break it. That is signaling strength for the USD, okay? So potentially we're going to see price move back up into this very area, okay, and possibly back to the top of the channel, okay? That is exactly how I'll be trading the USDJPY this day. Thank you for watching. Ensure you watch this next video, and also do well to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you're enjoying my content, and if you have something else you want me to trade, you can go ahead and tell me exactly what video you want me to produce. So thank you for watching and do have a great day.